So I did the mixing of the rice water and the whole milk. They're on the 11th day of this month. Today is, it's just left midnight on the 15th. And it has done quite a bit. I would not have expected, it's the first time I've done it, so I didn't know what to expect, but seems to have done the curd at the top and separated out the whey at the bottom. So I'm going to see if I can separate that curd out and get to just the whey, and then we'll sample it and look at it under the microscope. I poured the whey into a separate jar, and that was pretty much all of it. I just poured it through a strainer to try to make sure no curd. I'm going to let that settle for just a little bit, and then we'll get our sample. Okay, I've gone directly to 400 just because we're not going to see anything at 40 and 100. Let's see if I can go to 600. Oh, there we go. Again, this is just the whey after rice water fermented for about a week and then added to whole milk for about 4 days. So I believe the next step is to take a small portion of this and add the molasses or sugar to it.